Morning, children. Good morning, everyone, beta.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning, teacher.
Very good morning. So,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning. Did you complete your class
Good
work?
morning, teacher. Good morning. Good morning.
Completed the class work and first class work is completed. Children, please respond. Did you completed the class work of black one? I said class work and worksheet.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Beans.
Yes. Say what is your doubt? Okay. So, we completed black one and we sent the classwork and worksheet also. Black two also we started. So black two also we completed yesterday. Now we are starting the black three. So today I will send classwork of black two. You have to complete the classwork and worksheets and get ready for the slip test. Whatever topics you have to learn. After completion of each topic, please immediately go through it and practice it, learn it. So, in previous classes, we studied about the different parts of a plant. What a plant have? What are the different parts of a plant? So, a plant is having leaves, flowers, stem, fruits, and roots and branches. The plant is having different parts. So, what is the use of having all these parts? Why the plant needs these so many parts? Means, so for us also having different parts in our body, we are having hands, legs, eyes, nose, mouth, ears. Like that, we are also having different parts we are having. Each part performs its unique function. Each part is having its unique function. So, hands are helpful for doing work and legs are for walking, eyes are for seeing, nose is for smelling, ears for hearing. Like that, different parts have its own unique function. Like that, plant is also having different parts and each part performs its unique function. So, in your chapter in Black Tree, we are going to discuss about the stem and roots. What are the different functions of stem and roots we are going to discuss. Already we studied about the leaf. In previous black one, we studied about the leaf. What is the function of a leaf? What are the different types of leaf and different colors, shades? All we studied about the leaves. So in this block, we are going to discuss about the stem and the roots. First of all, in this class, we will discuss about the functions of a stem. Your block name is stems and roots. Stem and roots. Today we are going to discuss about functions of a stem. Functions of a stem. So, what are different functions performed by a stem? So, the green, the part, the straight part which is there, the strong straight part is called as the stem, the which grows above the ground. The part which grows below the ground are called as roots. So, today we will discuss about the different functions performed by a stem. So, what is the first function? So, the stem helps the plant to hold all the parts together. The different parts are the fruit, flower, leaf. So, all these are on the stem. So, what is the first function of a stem leaf? It holds all the parts together. It holds The are stem holds all the parts together. All the parts of a plant together. That means, so all other parts are on the stem. Flower, leaves, fruits. So all these are on the stem. That means it holds all the parts of a plant together. So that is the one function of a plant. The stem helps in keeping all parts together. That is the first function of a plant. When it comes to second function, so what is the second function of a plant means it carries mineral and water. So first the root absorbs the water and minerals from the ground, and from roots the stem absorbs. From the root the stem absorbs the water and mineral. From that stem it transfers the mineral and water to different parts of a plant. So from the stem it carries the water and it sends to different parts of a plant. By using the water and mineral, the leaf prepares the food. That means the second function of a stem is what? It carries minerals and water to other parts of a plant. So it absorbs, first the roots absorbs the minerals and water from the ground, and from the roots the stem absorbs the water and minerals. The stem transfers all the to the all parts of the plant. The water and minerals, that's what the stem absorbed, so it transfers to other parts of the stem. So other parts of a plant. So this is the second function of a stem. So not only these functions, it performs some other functions like it stores the food. It stores the food. So not in all plants, in some plants. So we learned that in first block we learned that the leaf prepares food. In a plant, which part prepares the food? So we learned that the leaf prepares the food for a plant. So the excess food material which is present, so the plant sometimes stores in leaf, the plant sometimes stores in stem, it sometimes stores in fruit, it sometimes stores in root. The excess food which is there, the plant it stores in different parts. Sometimes it stores in flower. So we are eating cauliflower, broccoli, and banana flowers, kachna flowers. That means in those plants the food is the excess food is stored in flower. So in some plants the plant stores the food in leaves. That means we are eating the cauliflower leaves, spinach leaves, and other leafy vegetables. So like that, here particularly in this class we are discussing about the stem. In some plants, the food is stored in stem. So can you give the examples of plants which stores the food? The best examples are potato, turmeric, ginger, sugarcane. So the plants, potato, turmeric, ginger, sugarcane. In all these plants, So the plant stores the food, the excess food, the leaf only prepares the food. After the preparation of food, in stems, it stores the food. So at that time, the plant is like this. In which plant it stores the food? It is having a flat structure. To the structure, they are having roots. So above the ground only we observe the leaves. So above the ground, there is no stem part. In some plants in which the plant is storing food in the stem, so such plants there is no stem. So above the ground, the stem is below the ground itself. In stem it stores the food. This is the stem part. To that below they are having the roots. So like that ginger, potato, turmeric. In your textbook, your content book, there is a clear cut picture of turmeric picture. So the only leaves we can observe above the ground and below the ground stem is there. In that stem, the turmeric it stores the food. Ginger also like that only. Potato also like that only. Just only leaves come out from the ground. So the excess food material, the leaves prepare the food material and excess food they store in stem. So such that means the stem it performs the function of storage of food also, not in all plants, only in some plants like potato, turmeric and ginger. And some stems they perform some other functions also. The rare cases like desert plants are there. So can you give the example of a desert plant? Can you give the example of a desert plant?
Ma'am.
Yes. Desert plant example.
Yes,
Okay, no problem. So best example is cactus. In cactus, the stem prepares the food. So we said that we learned that the leaves prepare the food. What we learned in previous classes? The leaf prepares the food. The prepared food, the stem, the beans, all these they spread or carry to different parts of the plant. So what I am saying here, in case of cactus and some other desert plants means the region which is not having water availability. Very scanty of water is available. So they face the very dry conditions. In desert areas, they face very dry conditions. So in such places, to avoid the loss of water, the leaves turn into spines. The leaves they modified into spines like structures. ಮುಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. So in cactus also, you are in your content book, you are having the picture of cactus. So above the cactus, they are having spines, needle-like structures. The needle-like structures are nothing but the leaves. They modified into the leaves, modified into spines or thorns to avoid the loss of water. So if there is no leaves, from where they get the cactus plant get the food? That means the stem prepares the food. In some plants like cactus, the stem prepares the food. The stem prepares the food. So it is also a function of a stem. So if there is no leaves, from where the plant get food means, so the according to situations, the stem, the cactus stem, it prepares the food and the plant lives. So like that where the water scarcity is there in desert areas, not only the cactus plant, most of the desert plants, they prepare the stem of those plants, they prepare the food. The leaves are modified into thorns or spines. So different functions of plant we learn here. So some of the plants are there like the creepers and the climbers. Do you have any idea of creepers and climbers? What are creepers? What are climbers? Do you have any idea? So, creepers and climbers. So, no problem. So, most of the plants having the strong stem. So, most of the plants have the strong stem, but some plants having the weak stem. The stem is very weak. That means they need the support. The stem need the support to grow. So, for example, watermelon. Watermelon is a creeper, and cucumber is a creeper. Pumpkin is a creeper. So, the stems of these plants are very weak. They need the support to grow. But the function of these plants is same as the other plants. The stem performs the same function. It carries the water and minerals to all parts of the plant. Even though it is weak, but the function is same. In case of pumpkin, watermelon, cucumber, the stem is very weak. It needs support to grow, but the function is the same as the other plants. It carries the water and mineral to other parts of the plant. And a climber like money plant. Money plant is a climber and other flowering plants also there. So they also, even though they are having the weak stem, the stem is very weak. They perform the same function that so it carries the water and mineral to other parts of the plant. So they given small experiment. So I declare what the functions of a plant. First function what means it holds the other parts of a plant. So what are other parts of a plant? Leaves, flowers, fruits. So like this, the stem. This is the stem. The stem holds the other parts of a plant together. So all these are with the help of stem, they all are a plant. So that means the stem holds the other parts of a plant like leaf, flower, stem, leaf, flower, fruits together. That is the first function. The second function is it carries minerals and water. The root absorbs from the ground. From the roots, the stem absorbs and it transfers to different parts of a plant. That means the stem carries the water and minerals. And when it comes to the third function, it's in some plants, the stem stores food. So most of the plants, so the plants, some plants they store in leaf, in some plants they store the food in roots, in some plants they store the food in stem. So like that it also performs the function of storage of food. So which stems store the food means the examples are potato, turmeric, ginger, sugarcane. These plants, the plant prepares the leaves, prepares the food and they store the food in the form of stems. So we are eating those stems. So the food is very healthy for us. So we are eating the stems of potato, stems of turmeric, and stem of ginger. So because the food is stored in that part, so we are eating the stems of those plants. And next comes to the other function. In rare cases, in some plants, that is the desert plants. In desert plants, to avoid the loss of water, if leaves are present, for a cactus plants, if leaves are present means by the process of evaporation, the water goes out. By the process of evaporation, the water loss, more and more water loss occur to the plant. So with that the plant will dies. So there is no availability of water in desert areas because of that reason. To avoid the water loss, what the leaves modified into spines. ಮುಳ್ಳಲಾದ ಮಾರ್ಪಡ್ತಾಯ ಆಕಳು. So the leaves modified into spines, and if there is no leaf, when the leaves modified into spines, so from where the cactus plant get their food means, so the stem prepares the food for the cactus plant. So that means here the stem also performs the function of preparation of food. So in rare cases the stem performs the preparation of the food also. So these are the some of the functions of a stem. Are you clear about the functions of a stem? Children, please respond one by one. Can you say one by one each one function of a stem? Say one function of a stem. Charlie, please respond. Charlie, can you say one function of a stem? Yes. What is the function of a stem? What are the different functions we discussed here? But say one function of a stem. Okay, it holds all other parts of a plant together. Next, Chandrasekhar, sir, Moksha.
Teacher.
Moksha, say one function of a stem. Any one function. Any one function of a stem. We discussed here 4 functions from that. Can you say one function of a stem? You not listen the class. You are not concentrating. Hello, Moksha. You listen or not?
I listen.
Or say one function of a stem. Any one function.
Stem.
What it do? Stem. What is the use of a stem for a plant?
Help them straight.
Very good. The stem helps the plant to stand straight. Very good. Next. Kusuma. Kusuma Priya. Say one function of a stem. Charvik, sit right. Charvik, sit right, beta. Kusuma Priya. Abhiram. Abhiram, say one function of a stem. Any one function. That means you are just time passing. You are pretending. You are sitting in front of your mobile phones and you are playing. You are not listening to your teacher. Yes? Abhiram, respond beta. Abhiram, say any one function of a stem.
Every day giving water to plants and they grow up.
Okay, it carries water and minerals and it transfers to different parts of a plant. So to prove this, in your textbook you are having a simple experiment. To prove that, you are having a simple experiment. We have to take 2 beakers or glass jars. So in one, I'll take one jar. So we have to keep a flower with stem in a water containing colored water. For example, a flower, white color flower in red color water, we have to take a glass beaker or jar, a glass, whatever it may be. If you put a flower of white flower, so here the flower is white in color. To prove the function of a stem, we said that stem carries water and mineral to other parts of a plant. We said that. So to prove that, to observe that that is correct or not, we can do there is a chance to conduct a simple experiment. We can do it at home also. So if we place a white flower with its stem, if we place in a colored water, any color, blue color, red color, black color, whatever it may be. So if a yellow color, whatever it may be, if you add the color to the water and if you place a flower with the stem in a water, so after some time the white flower changes into red. So I poured red colored water here. So here what will happen? The flower changes into red in color. The flower becomes red color. So when the white flower turns into red color, so what we observe here? The flower changes its color. With that, what can we give? What is the chance to give a conclusion? So by seeing this experiment, so when the white color flower turns into the red color, so what can we conclude? What is the possibility? Here what can we give the statements means the plant carries, the stem carries the water and minerals to other parts of your body. What the stem is doing? The stem it carries the red color water and it gives to the flower. When the red color water absorbed by a flower, the flower immediately changes its color and the white color flower it changes into the red in color. So with this we can say that the stem carries the water and minerals to other parts of a plant. So there is no chance to conduct the experiment to other parts. The leaf is green in color. So there is no possible to how can we say that there is prove that the stem is carrying water. So here best possibility is we are number of white colored flowers are available. So that if we place a white colored flower in any colored water, so the flower changes into the what color we poured into that color. So I given the example of red color. It may be a yellow, it may be a green, it may be a blue, whatever it may be. The flower changes into another what we given the water it changes into that color. That means what we observed here, the water, the stem carries the water to different parts of a plant. So are you clear about this? The function of a stem, children? Are you clear about the functions of a stem?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Very good. So I send the first black classwork and worksheet to you. Did you complete it? First black classwork? Children, please respond. So immediately you have to complete the first black, and today I will send black 2 classwork and worksheet. On Monday, I will check your classworks. You have to show the notebook. I will one by one I will ask to you. So you have to show the classworks to me on Monday. Tomorrow
Okay,
I
ma'am.
have time. There is no classes tomorrow. Tomorrow is a holiday. So complete the black 1 and the black 2 classwork and worksheet. On Monday I will check the classworks. Will you will you children please respond now? Are you starting writing classwork or not? First block completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. What about others? Only one or two responding. What about others? Did you complete it? Okay. Two blocks you have to complete. Today I will send the notes and get ready. On Monday I will check the class and we will meet on Monday. Read well, open your content books and do the worksheets. Read the content book and what I have explained in the class, combine it to you have to complete it. Okay, bye madam. We will meet on Monday. Complete the worksheets and come.